Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the gaming test on this Mi11X device, playing the Genshin Impact game and recording the screen recording at same time. So let's see friends, if you record the screen and play the game at same time, will it gonna affect the performance of the game or not? So that is what my whole point of making this kind of video. So I'll be playing the game for about maybe 10 minutes of time, so I won't be playing more than that, so only 10 minutes of time. So I'll try to play the 10 minutes of gaming as well, and I'll try to use the screen recording for the 10 minutes continuously. So during this time I'll be trying to observe the temperatures, how the phone is actually behaving. So that is what I'll be focusing on. As you can see right now, the temperature is about 38.2, and this is a real-time FPS meter which you can actually use in your smartphone. In case if you don't know how to enable that real-time FPS meter, I did a video on that particular topic friends, so make sure to check the playlist of the Mi11X phone. You can find all the links will be available in the description below for the Mi11X. You can find so many videos related to the phone. Every day I'm trying to upload so many videos on this particular model. So let me try to quickly open the screen recording settings, what settings I am trying to use. So let me try to open the screen recording option. So here is the options friends which are available right now. So resolution I set to the maximum 1080, and the video bitrate, let me try to select to the 8 Mbps bitrate. So that is what mostly people recommended me to use, the 8 Mbps, and orientation is auto, and the sound effects, let me try to use the system sounds. So let's see, I'm trying to use as a gamer point of view the maximum settings, and I'm trying to keep the FPS as well to the 60 FPS. 60 fps recording friends, because most of the people they did ask me also to use a 60 fps screen recording as well. So this is an intense kind of gaming which I'm trying to do right now. Genshin Impact is only the intense game, and recording the screen while playing this Genshin Impact is another next level of testing the performance. So let's see what will be the performance of this phone, whether the phone will be able to handle that much kind of performance or not, which has a Snapdragon 870 chipset. I think definitely this should be able to do its job. So let me try to show you friends first without screen recording, and you will be able to see the real-time FPS statistics for yourself. So this is the real-time FPS meter which I am using, as I said, so which will be really helpful for you all. So this is a small update going on, so once I'll be back after the update is successfully completed. As you can see friends, right now the update has been successfully completed in this phone, and the brightness I'm trying to use is 70%, as you can see. So 70 or 80 kind of percentage during this time of testing. So I don't want to use more brightness and cause more issues in terms of the temperatures. So even after this update itself, right now the battery temperature, phone temperature is of close to 44 degrees, as you can see, 44. And the notification panel, the real-time FPS, which is showing about 45 degrees of temperature readings right now, which is recorded, as you can see friends. So only just with the update, so without even playing the game, only for this update, the phone got heat up to 45 degrees. So let's see once the game has been begun, and if I start playing the game for about maybe 10 minutes of time, then the results might be completely different. So I'm trying to use 60 FPS during this time of testing. So completely maxed out graphics, as you can see friends, everything is maxed out. So with everything is maxed out, and I was able to get that kind of very good results. But you can see this lag right now, as you can see friends, when I'm trying to scroll around, some kind of lag is going on, but now it's not there. In the beginning it is there, as you can see, now it's fine. So only in the beginning there is a lag, but right now I cannot see any kind of lag here when I'm trying to play, as you can see here. So let me try to show you the real-time statistics. Real-time statistics, I am getting about 60 FPS without any problem, 61 FPS. Even you can see the real-time FPS meter as well. Everything is working fine, and it's the time to on the screen recording. So let me try to on the screen recording, and this will be able to record the default volume, which is coming from the game. I'll try to record this kind of screen recording for about 10 minutes. So right now still it's 10 seconds, and let's see the gaming how it's doing. So right now I did not go I did not went much in depth into the gaming itself friends, so I'm just in the beginning stage, but I can feel this kind of lag while recording and playing at same time. And you can see the real-time FPS meter which is dropped below 60, which dropped close to 40 FPS when you're trying to play. So right now I'm in the ideal position, the FPS is exactly 50, but try to observe this FPS meter. So let me try to quickly open the notification panel. As you can see, 39 FPS in the notification panel. You can clearly see, friends. So let me try to scroll down. So yes, there is a lag while using the screen recording and playing the game at same time in this phone, in the Mi 11X device. So if you're trying to use all the settings to the maxed out settings, so I'm trying to use the maxed out settings and brightness 70%, not with the full brightness I'm trying to use. As you can see, there's this kind of lag. This only happens only while recording and playing the game in high intense mode. Only then it will be happening, this kind of lag here. And the real-time FPS right now, you can concentrate, friends. Here it went up to 20 FPS and 19 FPS. I'm getting here 18 FPS. So if I am standing at one place, the FPS count will automatically increase. So temperatures went up to 47.9 degrees right now within 2 minutes of using the screen recording. So 2 minutes it's been using the screen recording, and temperature went up to 48 degrees right now, 48 degrees. So that's really shocking news here, as you can see, friends. So definitely, I know I'm trying to use the maximum output. If you use the screen recording 30 FPS, and if you limit the game performance a little bit, if you compromise on those, then you might be getting some other effects. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to stop the screen recording, and let me try to go to the screen recording and change the screen recording option to the 30 FPS. So instead of 60 FPS. So let's see, friends, let's see what will happen if you try to use the frame rates 30 FPS. I'm trying to use it 30 FPS. Let me try to go back to the game again. So it is the game. So let me try to start playing the game. So without screen recording, I'm trying to play the game right now. Now it's completely smooth. It's really amazing, friends. Now it's completely smooth. So no problem in terms of any lag or nothing. So no issues right now. It's completely smooth, and FPS meter is also maintaining very good, consistent, as you can see here. So even the top FPS meter is also reading about 43, initially 44 FPS, as you can see, the top one. So when you're standing at one position, definitely the FPS count will increase because you're not doing any kind of activities. But when you're trying to move around, then the FPS will decrease. Right now 58 it is. Now 46, 45 FPS. So let me just start recording right now. So I started the screen recording with the 30 FPS at the moment. And I can see that kind of lag even right now as well. Right now it's about 38 FPS, 38, 44 FPS, 40 FPS. As you can see, 27. So it's not going below 20. I think if you're using 30 FPS screen recording. So definitely, friends, if you're trying to use a screen recording application in this phone, so this is what happens. The game feels kind of lag. So maybe if you change the settings, if you go to the settings and if you change the settings to a little bit kind of graphics to less performed. So let me try to show you. So maybe the medium graphics, if you try to use a medium graphics, let me try to see what happens right now. So let me try to use the medium graphics and the frame rates maybe 60 FPS. So everything is set to the medium rendering and everything is medium. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. This is just a gameplay of the Genshin Impact using the screen recording at same time. So which will be demonstrating how is the performance of this phone if you're using screen recording and playing the game at same time. So that's it for this video, friends. We got the information what we wanted, and the final conclusion is that the game will be definitely slowed down if you're using the screen recording and playing at same time in this phone. And for more results, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, iQOO. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.